Don Bosco Vazhikaatti. In collaboration with Don Bosco Arts and Science College, Surabi, Maestro and TECH Mahindar Foundation and the DB Job organizing the HR Summit 2024 on 20th February 2024 with the theme Reforming Industry by Transforming the Youth. The summit held at Don Bosco Arts and Science College garnered attention from 50 enthusiastic youths representing various colleges and HR managers. It was a platform for meaningful discussion, fostering collaboration between the industry professionals and youth leaders with a shared vision of driving transformative change in the workforce. The highlight of the summit was captivating speech by the Guinness Record Holder and also a body language trainer, Professor Hermon Carduz, who enlightened the audience on the art of visualization. Professor Carduz also moderated the panel discussion, guiding participants through insightful conversations. The panel comprised distinguished members of 8 higher educational institutions.